Does God have a physical body? This question has been debated for centuries by philosophers, theologians, and ordinary people alike. It is a complex topic that has no easy answer, and the interpretations vary depending on the religious or philosophical viewpoint. So, let's dive into this fascinating subject and explore some of the different interpretations. Firstly, let's consider the Abrahamic religions, such as Judaism, Christianity, and Islam. In these religions, God is often seen as an omniscient and omnipotent being who created the universe and everything in it. While there are differences in how each religion views God, one common belief is that God does not have a physical body. Instead, God is often described as a spirit or a force that is present everywhere at all times. However, some religions and philosophies have a different take on this subject. For example, in Hinduism, God is often seen as having a physical form, which is known as a manifestation. There are many different manifestations of God in Hinduism, such as Vishnu and Shiva, and each is often depicted as having a physical body with specific attributes and characteristics. Similarly, some ancient religions, such as the Greek and Roman pantheons, also depicted their gods as having physical bodies. The gods in these religions were often depicted as human-like, with human emotions, desires, and weaknesses. Moreover, some philosophical schools also have their interpretations of whether God has a physical body or not. For instance, the philosopher Baruch Spinoza believed that God was identical to the universe and had no physical form. However, he also believed that everything in the universe was an expression of God, which included human bodies. Another philosopher, René Descartes, believed that God had a physical body. He argued that God was a perfect being and, as such, must have a physical form that is also perfect. He saw God as being beyond the physical world, but still existing in it. In conclusion, the question of whether God has a physical body is a complex and intriguing one that has been explored from many different perspectives throughout history. While there are many different interpretations, the answer ultimately depends on one's religious or philosophical beliefs. Whether we see God as a spirit, a force, or a physical being, the important thing is to continue to explore and question our understanding of this mysterious entity that has captivated humans for millennia.